Hey y'all, it's Amy and Rachel with Just Be, and today's tutorial is all about upper back strengthening. So we're going to be going through 3 tips. We've got really specific, easy to follow tips to make sure that you're extending through your upper spine and not working the lower back. This is of course important for when we're on the computer and we're flexed over, posture in general, just to get that nice strengthening, open chest, boost confidence.
Well, because so much of our day is this on the computers or on the phone, so these are really important.
So we're going to learn how to isolate just that upper spine and tone your abs at the same time.
Awesome.
Awesome. Okay, let's go ahead and get you started. So you're going to start with your belly, just like Rachel is, on your stomach, laying all the way down, and her elbows are going to be wide, bent, and the elbows just in line with the shoulders. All right, so we've got 3 tips on how to really make sure that you're isolating just the upper spine in this exercise. So the first one is pelvic stability. We want to make sure those abdominals are engaged to keep the pelvis still, so the low and mid spine is still. So to do that, she's going to take a breath in. She's going to gently press her pubic bone into the mat, draw the abdominals to the spine, and then she's going to lengthen up, head comes up, moving through the upper spine. Good. And then she's going to lower down. Good. Now, if your abdominals aren't engaged, Rachel, let's show what happens when that occurs. Yeah. So when she comes up and her abs aren't lifted to protect the low and mid spine, she's going to get a lot of compression in her low back. Go ahead and lower down. All right. The second tip we've got for you is a lot about the shoulder placement. Obviously, with the rounded shoulder posture, our shoulders are forward. So here, we're going to make sure that we roll the shoulders back to initiate the movement. So she's going to get her pelvic placement, abdominals are connected, pubic bone towards the floor, and then shoulder blades slide back, and then she's lifting up. So the chest is open, scapular sliding down her back. Good. And then you're going to go ahead and lower down. Now what happens commonly is that we come up, we lift the chest up, but the shoulders round forward, as Rach is showing. So we want to really make sure that we have that openness, that the shoulder arm bone is rolled back into the joint. All right, and lower down. And our third tip to think about is the placement of your head. We want to maintain the natural, neutral curve of your spine as you come up. So we're going to connect with the abdominals first. Roll the shoulder back. Shoulder blades slide down, and as she lengthens up, she's thinking about looking just at the top of her mat. Her chin is slightly tucked. Good. Take a breath in, and then go ahead and lower back down. Beautiful. So with this exercise, we can also do it with your arms by your side. That way, that's going to really encourage the shoulders being open, and it's also going to be a little bit more work for these upper spinal muscles. All right. Taking a breath in. She's going to get the abdominals connected, so gently press the pubic bone down. The shoulders are now going to roll back by the palms, by the hips, and then as she lengthens up, she's in this beautiful long dart position. Gorgeous. Taking a breath in, and then just lowering down. Shoulders are relaxed. Good. Let's do that again. So connecting with the core first. Shoulder blades slide back, palms towards hips, and then as she lengthens up, she's got a long line out of the top of her head, out of her toes. Good. Yes, and there's that neck again. So making sure that the chin is tucked slightly and looking at the head of the mat. Good. And then lower down. Excellent. Let's do that one more time here. So connecting with the core, belly lifts, shoulders slide down and back, and then she's lengthening out. This beautiful line of her sternum reaching forward, looking at the top of the mat, a little bit of a glute squeeze, beautiful reach, and then go ahead and lower down. Good. And you can go ahead and push back for a shell stretch. That's just going to allow her spine to go in the opposite direction just to get that full mobility. Beautiful. Okay, great. So this exercise is excellent for helping us keep our shoulders back, getting mobility through that upper spine, which often gets stuck around the computer and flexed over. Yeah, and these muscles get so long. So if you think about just that upper spine from the bra line almost to the top of the neck, getting some good extension. So this is great paired with our workout that we're posting tomorrow. And it's exercises for the upper spine strengthening, a whole little workout. Make sure also to check out, we'll leave a link below, our foam roller mid-back release. Excellent to open up the chest and release that tight connective tissue in the back.
Please share with someone that you know that could use this exercise. We all know, well, most of us these days are always on the phone or always at a computer. Tune in tomorrow for the workout.
Yeah, we'll see you next time. Thanks for joining.